There's no sympathy for winners.
No.
In general.
No.
Check this out. Look.
No.
You've been here on this show. This show's a successful show. It means you have success, which means there's jealousy, which means there's envy, which means there's entitlement. And someone close to you that you can't even see it is growing in them, entitlement. So that's probably the scariest part, right? Now, think about this. Look, think about
No, I know. I just love when you go here.
When you get ready, when they say they awarded you something, they just gave you back something that you already earned. The courts award you your legal fees, but you spent the legal fees already. So they're just giving you money back that you spent because this person took a shot at. The only thing anyone can do here in America is sue someone. You have the right to sue. You're not necessarily going to win. But if you find a lawyer, you got ambulance chasers out there all day that are chasing because the person got money. They figure maybe they give us money to make it just go away. When you pour everything you have into something and it doesn't work out, insecurity sets in. That's when you're vulnerable. The predators will sense that self-doubt and try to take advantage of it. I felt the same kind of vulnerability after I got dropped from Columbia. The self-doubt started to sabotage my energy. My fans probably didn't sense it, but it was there. Thankfully, my hustler spirit was stronger than any pessimism that might have infiltrated my spirit. I had the confidence and patience to wait until the right deal was in front of me. I believed in my value and eventually I was rewarded for it. In just a couple of years, I went from being dropped to releasing one of the best-selling hip-hop albums of all time. It's The King's Path in French. I started with a soft launch of the rosé version of this bottle, and it was specifically at a price point that matches Ace of Spades price point.
Okay.
Because a lot of times in youth culture and hip-hop culture, different things, they equate quality with expense.
Yeah.
And I wanted to present something that they knew was top-notch and on that level. But these are the things that people would indulge in on special occasions, when it's their birthday or when they feel like the guy that's in the restaurant says, give me your best bottle of wine.
Yeah, doesn't even ask questions.
Right, he feels good. He doesn't know where it came from. Yeah. He just wants the best.